Step 1. Open the Java file. First, open the Debug.java file in Visual Studio Code. Step 2. Set a breakpoint. Click to the left of the line int result equals sum a, b to add a breakpoint. A red dot should appear indicating where the program will pause. Step 3. Start debugging. Press F5. VS Code will compile the program and pause execution at the line with the breakpoint. Inspect variable values. While paused, hover over variables like a, b, or result to view their current values. Step 4. Use step into F11. Press F11 to step into the sum method and observe how it works internally. You can also click the step into icon on the top debug toolbar. Step 5. Use step over F10. Press F10 to move to the next line without entering any method. You can also click the step over icon if you prefer using the mouse. Step 6. Use step out, Shift plus F11. To return to the calling line in main, press Shift plus F11. Alternatively, you can click this step out icon in the debug toolbar. Step 7. Explore variables and call stack panels. You can monitor variable values in the Variables panel and trace the flow of method calls in the Call Stack panel, both available in the debug view. Step 8. Stop debugging. To end the session, press Shift plus F5. You can also click the red square Stop icon in the debug toolbar. Conclusion. By following these steps, you can effectively debug Java code in Visual Studio Code, understand how your logic flows, and quickly find and fix bugs. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for links, documentation, and source code.